Hey there, if you're in a relationship and want to manage your finances together without the hassle, the Honeydue app is a game changer. It's a user-friendly tool designed for couples to track shared expenses, budgets, and more. In this video, I'll walk you through the basics so you can get started right away. First off, head to your App Store, whether it's Google Play or the Apple App Store, and search for Honeydue. Download and install it for free. Once it's installed, open the app and create an account using your email or link it to your Google account for a seamless sign-up process. Now, the fun part. Invite your partner. Simply enter their email address in the app, and they'll receive an invitation to join your shared space. This ensures both of you are on the same page. Next, connect your bank accounts. Honeydue makes this easy and secure, allowing you to import transactions automatically so you don't have to enter everything manually. This feature is a real-time saver. Then, set up your budgets. Create categories like groceries, dining, or entertainment, and assign spending limits to keep things in check. The app's shared dashboard is where the magic happens. You and your partner can see real-time updates on expenses, balances, and goals. Plus, splitting bills is straightforward. Just select an expense, and Honeydue will calculate who owes what. Finally, use the in-app chat to discuss finances without switching apps. It's private and convenient. By using Honeydue, you'll reduce arguments over money and build better financial habits together. Give it a try today, and let us know in the comments how it's working for you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips.